All right, it's that time of year again. We're going to have an after Christmas sale. The after Christmas sale is going to be basically a repeat of our early Black Friday sale we had back in November, which is select belts, $30 off. And we're going to have our Hunterworks branded 1,000 primary clutches, $100 off. And our Start Fresh, which includes the Hunterworks primary, a secondary, and a Dalton kit or whatever, $200 off. Just like I said, our early one. There is couple of caveats to the sale though, which is we still cannot sell you a U10 Pro CF Moto belt because we don't have any. And unfortunately that belt, the second round of them has got delayed yet again. And then the second thing is the sale did so well, we ran out of one particular Can-Am belt that's used on X3s and Defenders and whatnot, and it's actually used on a Riker, I believe, and it's also used on a snowmobile. So we're out of that particular belt. More of them coming in January sometime, but nonetheless, belts $30 off. Hunterworks primary is $100 off, and then the Start Fresh is $200 off. The sale will start Friday the 26th at 8 a.m. and it will end at 8 a.m. following Monday. I believe that's the 29th. And so you have all weekend to get your order in. I believe we got plenty of belts for most everything else in stock, and we'll be packing like crazy next Monday to get all this stuff out. Clutches, Start Freshes may or may not be able to get out on Monday, but we'll get them out on following Tuesday. But anyway, I'd also like to extend a Merry Christmas. And yes, I said Christmas. I'm not doing that PC crap and saying Happy Holidays. But Merry Christmas to you. And just remember the reason for the season. It's not Santa Claus. It is, we are celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. For sure is what I'm celebrating. It's about as religious and political as I get, because that's your business, what you do. But anyway, Merry Christmas to you. And if we can help you in any way here at Hunterworks, let us know. Thanks.